Ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering what's trending on YouTube? Indeed, keeping up with the ever-changing trends can seem daunting, yet it's crucial for both content creators and viewers. Well, the good news is, finding trending topics on YouTube isn't as difficult as it seems. The first place to check is the YouTube trending page. It's simple to access. Just click on the trending tab, typically found on the left-hand side of your YouTube homepage. This page showcases a dynamic mix of content, presenting the most popular videos across all categories. Whether it's music, gaming, news, or fashion, the trending page captures what's buzzing right now. So if you're eager to keep your content current, keep a close eye on this space. Remember, this page is a goldmine for identifying trending topics. Another great tool at your disposal is the YouTube search bar. This humble bar is your compass in the vast ocean of YouTube content. To find trending topics, think about what's relevant and type it in. As you type, YouTube's autocomplete will suggest popular searches, a hint to what's trending. Try out different keywords and check out those autocomplete suggestions. It's like having a conversation with the pulse of the internet. Mastering YouTube search is a game changer for trend hunting. Don't overlook the power of YouTube channels and playlists. They're a goldmine for discovering what's hot on the platform. By exploring popular channels and playlists, you can spot trends that are gaining traction. Look for patterns in the content being shared, especially within your specific niche. Remember, trends can be niche-specific too, and these can offer valuable insights for your content creation. So, delve into the world of YouTube channels and playlists and see what's stirring up interest. Channels and playlists can often point you towards trends you might otherwise miss. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to hunt for YouTube trends. We've navigated the YouTube trending page, harnessed the search bar, and explored channels and playlists. So go ahead, dive into the world of YouTube trends and stay ahead of the curve.